Guys, look at the beauty, look at the aesthetic of this trail. It's so beautiful. How can one see and not want to cycle or walk over here? And as we say that, there's a person cycling around. So get out, touch the grass, and enjoy the good weather today. Guys, we have officially entered the trail. Some of them have started running ahead, but let's see who can maintain the pace and who can run better and who can walk better. Let's see.
Yeah, but you are the first one.
Thank you.
Yeah, Jayo. Bye bye.
Wow, just look at the weather. The weather is so good. Look at the breeze. Whoa. Such a good day for a walk. This is the cool guy from Emirat, Sheikh Asif Al Chamu. As we reach the second checkpoint, Laosu here. Checkpoint in, Candice Laosu. Let's go. Guys, look at everyone running. And look at the beautiful trees around. Wow. Very handsome. Wow, just look at this. Reminds me of the Hutuo River in Changsha. So beautiful. Guys, we've got a video of our classmates. We are 2 checkpoints in. How do you feel?
It's tiring, but it's good.
Will you be able to complete it in the top 20?
Maybe I want to, but...
Okay guys, let's catch up to some of our classmates. See you again soon. Okay guys, we reached the third point. Say hi to me last year. And now let's continue on our way. There are guards over here for safety. There are more people who are arriving. Let's welcome them.